As dawn breaks, the almond harvest begins across the orchard.
Every almond is inspected before large-scale harvesting begins.
A single vibration releases months of growth in seconds. Freshly harvested almonds gather for the next stage. Mechanical sweepers organize the harvest efficiently. Harvesters lift almonds from the orchard floor. Collection systems maximize efficiency during harvest. Transport equipment moves into place for transfer. Harvested almonds are transferred for transport. The harvest leaves the field for industrial processing. Each load is secured before leaving the orchard. The raw almonds now approach the heart of modern processing. The harvest moves steadily toward industrial processing.
Verification ensures complete traceability from orchard to plant.
Representative samples are collected before unloading. Incoming quality is evaluated before acceptance. The first transfer into the factory has begun. The journey through the factory officially begins. Next comes the critical stage of cleaning and preparation. Behind every harvest stands a vast network of industrial systems. Every department is connected through carefully planned logistics. The raw harvest flows continuously toward preparation systems. Scale and precision define modern almond processing. Vertical transport systems maximize factory efficiency. An organized network directs almonds to specialized processes. Data guides every decision inside the plant.
This sound and print in Chapel Petit, launching with Stucky Side.
Human expertise works alongside industrial automation.
Receiving systems regulate the incoming harvest. The raw harvest begins its journey toward processing. Defective material is removed with high-speed precision.
Only approved almonds move forward in the process.
Human inspection adds another layer of quality assurance. When
Rejected material is documented and removed from the production stream. The cleaned almonds are now ready for further processing. With cleaning complete, the almonds advance to the heart of the factory. The almonds now enter the core processing stage. Controlled feeding ensures stable production flow. Precise regulation improves efficiency and consistency.
Residual shell material is removed before further processing. Density sorting enhances product purity. Quality checks continue throughout the process. Vertical transport systems connect each processing stage. The production line continues through carefully coordinated systems. Premium grades are maintained with careful handling. Digital monitoring supports modern production efficiency. Automated routing directs almonds through the factory. Specialized equipment awaits the incoming product. The harvest advances toward its first major transformation. Preparation begins with the removal of unwanted material. A carefully designed process protects product quality. Now the almonds enter the critical cleaning and sorting stage. Airflow systems remove lightweight impurities with precision. Additional safeguards protect product integrity before further processing. Rotary cleaning improves consistency before sorting begins. A steady product flow is essential for accurate sorting.
The almonds are prepared for size classification.
Multiple grading levels create distinct size categories.
Larger almonds are separated into their own production stream.
Each size category continues through dedicated processing routes. Even the smallest grades receive specialized handling.
Advanced optical technology now examines every almond.
Precision sorting protects product quality at industrial scale. Only approved almonds continue through the process. Weight verification ensures process accuracy. Automation continuously optimizes production flow. Centralized systems coordinate the entire operation. Automated inspection provides additional verification. Automation connects every part of the production process. Precise measurements help maintain product stability. Flexible routing supports multiple product requirements. The highest quality almonds move toward final refinement. Automation has refined the product to exact standards. The final production stages are now ready to begin. Conditions are carefully controlled for consistent results. Now the almonds move into the factory's main transformation stage. Automation now examines every almond with remarkable precision.
Vision systems analyze color, shape, and surface quality instantly. Automated intelligence enhances consistency throughout production. Visual inspection confirms appearance standards. Consistent feeding ensures precise finishing performance. Polishing improves both cleanliness and presentation. Controlled movement preserves quality while refining the surface. The refined product advances toward final grading. Precise classification supports market requirements. Only the highest quality almonds proceed to final verification. One final automated check confirms product excellence.
Verified almonds move forward for final preparation.
Buffer systems maintain a steady flow to the next stage. The finished almonds approach final verification. Every process works together to achieve consistent quality. The product awaits final approval before packaging.
Final verification is nearly complete.
Now every batch faces rigorous quality verification. Every approved batch undergoes comprehensive quality verification. Representative samples provide a snapshot of production quality. Every sample is documented before analysis begins. Moisture control is critical for product stability. Physical characteristics are verified against strict standards. Modern laboratories provide detailed quality insights. Packaging begins the final chapter of the almond journey.
After rigorous testing, the almonds are ready for packaging.
Precision weighing guarantees consistency in every package. Packaging materials are formed and prepared automatically. Each package receives an accurately measured portion.
Secure sealing protects freshness and product quality.
Automated inspection confirms packaging integrity. Automation builds stable loads for transport. Protective wrapping secures every shipment. Finished products move into controlled storage. Inventory is organized and tracked with precision. Distribution planning coordinates deliveries worldwide. The final stage of the journey is about to begin.
The finished product now leaves the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce almonds from start to finish.
From orchard harvest to global distribution, every step reflects the scale and precision of modern almond processing.